The Adventures of Lazy Cat.
Why does he still behave as a child? How can we help him get rid of these leftovers from childish behavior?
This is the winter of our youth, oh, but I'm not there yet. I've got nostalgia running through me, and I don't like it. Oh my, 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 my. Now I can almost taste it, taste it.